Hi, my name is Sydathong,
And I'm John Venegas.
and this is the Barcelona Mobile World Congress project and our key findings from what we found.
Some of the questions and methodology we are addressing in this project are, according to the available data, which customers were more satisfied, those who came back in 2013 or those who did not. And we calculated the confidence limits for the mean satisfaction of the non-loyal and the loyal customers. And we also compared the distribution of the customer satisfaction with the distribution in the two groups individually. And some of the methodology we used to address these questions are distribution, confidence intervals, and hypothesis testing.
And then in the distribution tab, we charted it in two different charts. We have a scatter plot on the right and a box plot on the left. And what we could tell from these two charts is, on average, loyal customers had a higher response than non-loyal customers, with less spread among the responses. Another thing we could tell from the chart is non-loyal customers had more outliers in the extreme lows, with some outliers close to 1.5, and loyal customers tended to cluster around higher satisfaction levels. And then the next slide is a confidence interval. By looking at the data, we could tell that the loyal customers had the highest satisfaction levels. And we could tell this by their upper bound and lower bound values. If you look on the loyal customers, their upper bound value is 3.38 and their lower bound value is 3.26. For the non-loyal customers, they have an upper bound value of 3.08 and a lower bound value of 2.93. Since the confidence interval for loyal customers is higher and it does not overlap with the non-loyal customers, it means that the loyal customers have the highest satisfaction levels overall.
And for our next slide, for the hypothesis testing, while doing this test, we found out that this test will be an upper tail test because we are testing if the average satisfaction score for loyal customers is greater than the non-loyal customers. And since the one-tail p-value is far below the alpha level of 0.05, we reject the null hypothesis. This indicates strong evidence that loyal customers have a significantly higher satisfaction score than non-loyal customers. The negative statistic suggests the mean difference between loyal and non-loyal customers is not only statistically significant, but also favors the loyal group. In summary and conclusion, on average, loyal customers have a higher response rate to opposed to non-loyal customers. And based on the hypothesis test, it shows that loyal customers are significantly higher satisfaction scores than non-loyal customers. The negative t-stat suggests that the mean difference between loyal and non-loyal customers favors loyal customers as well. And non-loyal customers had more outliers, with some of them being in the extreme lows. Overall, these are our key findings from the Barcelona Mobile World Congress. Thank you for watching.